indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, power sun moonroof. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, hands-free communication. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.